Once upon a time, there was a girl named Elisa who thought free time was just meant to be wasted. He never realized how precious every moment could be. But Elisa's father knew the value of time. He hoped that together, he and Elisa would learn to never waste a single second. Like many kids, Elisa let hours slip away, scrolling, watching, and doing nothing important. His father watched, realizing they both needed to learn how not to waste time. One evening, his father handed him an hourglass and said, "Elisa, what if we could reclaim just 1 hour every day and use it wisely?" Elisa's eyes widened as his father explained, "That's 7 hours a week, almost a whole workday. Imagine what we could do if we never wasted that time." Inspired, Elisa and his father made a promise to fill those hours with purpose. They learned new skills, got stronger, and shared laughter with friends, never letting time slip away again. His father smiled and said, "Time is our most valuable currency, Ali. Let's never waste it. Let's invest our time in what truly matters, not just what's easy," his father advised, as they stood together at the crossroads of their choices. Now, whenever Elisa or his father feel themselves drifting, they remind each other, is this really worth our time, or are we wasting it? With every small step, Elisa and his father's journey grew brighter. They started that very day, and now both their future selves are grateful for the lesson they learned together. Never waste your time.